Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a Freedom Breakthrough review, the 3-day business breakthrough challenge by Jonathan Montoya, guys. Now, if you don't know who Jonathan Montoya is, he is a six-figure affiliate marketer and course creator who started his business, has started to break through in his business back in May of 2019, just about a year and a half ago, guys. He's no different than you and I. He's just a person that took action and started his business. Guys, he wants to, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can get access to this 3-day business challenge and for just only $7, guys. Now, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'll also be sharing with you exactly how you can get a copy of this six-figure affiliate business. Now, if you're new to my channel, do me a favor. Make sure to hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already. And don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. On this channel, I teach you how to start and grow an online business, how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. And the main goal of this channel is to educate, inspire, and motivate you to live the prosperous life that you and your family deserve. So, what is the Freedom Breakthrough 3-day business breakthrough challenge? So this is a 3-day challenge Jonathan Montoya put together. It's only $7, guys. It's the price of a cup of coffee at Starbucks or so. So what you're gonna get is he breaks things down step by step. I've never seen a course that was literally, broken down step by step, and you are able to take easy for anybody to understand, guys. So day one, he goes over how you can implement this 3-step system to make daily commissions online without a product to sell or dealing with any people, not bugging your family and friends. And this exact formula, like I stated before, it allowed him to leave his 9-to-5 job in 9 months, and he created six figures within 6 months. So today, the day one is going to be an overview. It's just going to be a walkthrough of what's to come for this 3 days. He's going to share with you exactly what the 3 days is entailed. And then you're going to actually have homework to do. He's going to get you step by step. You're actually going to have a workbook, and you're actually going to have homework to do also in each one of these days. You're also going to get access to the private Facebook group where you have more support from other six-figure entrepreneurs and other inspiring entrepreneurs that are exactly where you are and even further. So you're going to get a ton of massive support along your journey. Also, for day two, you're going to get day two talks about let's build in your business in 30 minutes. So this day two, you're going to he's going to literally walk you through step by step of setting up your business, from setting up the funnel. He's going to walk you through step by step, click by click, on how to set up this exact funnel, how to set up your funnel for your business, how to set up your email sequences for your business, where you get the emails from, how to pick a product, how to pick a proven product that is proven to sell. He's going to show you the exact steps that he would take if he needed to start his own affiliate marketing business over from scratch if he had lost everything. So, and you're also going to be able to copy and import this exact funnel in seconds. So you can be able to not only learn how to build your own funnel, but you'll also get access to the copy of his funnel that he uses as well. Also, you're also going to have homework, and it's also going to be a step-by-step action for you to take as well too. So as a bonus, you're going to get his affiliate funnel. Also, for day three, the breakthrough track the day three is going to be the business breakthrough challenge. This is going to be all about getting traffic, which is the lifeblood of your business, guys. Without traffic, you can have the beautiful, you can have the beautiful product or service. This product could be everything that somebody is looking for, but if you don't know how to get traffic, or if you're not getting traffic to your business, guys, then you don't have a legitimate business. So he's going to walk you through how you are able to get customers to your proven automated system. All this is going to be done on autopilot. This is no bugging your family and friends. This is a detailed step-by-step challenge, guys. That's only for the price of $7, guys. It's unbelievable. You get a ton of information. This guy over delivers. Jonathan Montoya is Guy's amazing at what he does. He's a electrical engineer, or he was an ex-electrical engineer, so he knows how to break things down really simple and easy for you to understand. Um, so he's going to talk about here. This is the longest video, and it's the most important video. It's about getting traffic to your system. So he's going to walk you through how you can get traffic, the traffic sources that allowed him to grow his online business. So a lot of people ask, well, what traffic sources do you use? Where to get your traffic from? What traffic should I start with? He shares with you exactly the traffic you should start with, the traffic that you may want to stay away from, depending on what level you are in. And he's going to share with you the exact traffic strategies that he uses to implement in his business that has allowed him to grow to over 15,000 subscribers on YouTube and grow his massive following and influence on social media, and to grow his business into multiple six figures. So you're going to get the exact framework and the traffic that he uses. Also, guys, you're going to get, like I said before, access to the Facebook group. So this challenge is very detailed. It's step by step, guys. You also, the homework is very, very simple, guys. You're also going to get assets if you decide to, if you don't have a product or service, he's going to show you how you can get one. But if you wanted to promote his product or service, he gives you all of the tools. I'm talking about from the email swipes, from the videos, everything you need to be successful with promoting this product, which is what he teaches in his 3-day business challenge. Is make sure you're picking a product that that gives you this resources to succeed with, and he does that in this course himself. So he doesn't only speak it; he actually preach it. He doesn't just preach it, but he actually does it as well too. So you're going to get these. These are the step by step. This is what I mean about the step by step action steps. So day 1, day 2. Step 1, find the offer. Step 2, building your funnel. Step 3, linking your email list. He gives you it's a checklist, guys. You're able to just literally go down and say, okay, yes, I did that. Yes, I did that. It's very, very, very simple, guys, to do. So that's that. You also, as a bonus for signing up, guys, and like I said, it's only $7 to get started, guys. It's a course that you are able to start your business in just 3 days. You can start your business with this challenge, guys. And as a bonus, you are getting the exact six-figure business that he used, this exact six-figure funnel that he used to grow his business. Also, you're going to get the YouTube video scripts that has allowed him to go viral on YouTube and to grow his following massively in a short time, just about a year's time, guys. He's growing his YouTube channel following. Also, you're going to get the top secret keywords he used to rank at the top of Google, as well as the top of YouTube search engine as well too. That's allowed him to actually grow his business, guys. So, guys, if you want to know any more information about this, guys, if you're looking to get access to this, there will be a link in the description below, guys, where you can get access to this challenge, guys, by Jonathan Montoya. It's called, once again, Freedom Breakthrough, the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, guys. And I'll leave that link in the description below for you to get started. Once again, it's only $7, guys. If you're getting value from this video, do me a favor. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already. And don't forget to click that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload them. I want to say God bless you. Thank you for watching, and see you on the inside of the Breakthrough Business Challenge. Have a blessed day.